Hey everybody, if you're looking for a car mount phone holder that, let's just say, uses a cup holder, but you don't want to give up your cup holder because let's just say you want to put something in it, this video is for you. So this company reached out to me and said, Ryan, can you do a little unboxing, a little overview? Tell us what you think about our revolutionary cell phone, or I guess whatever you want to mount in this car cup holder mount. Who might say no, but no way whatsoever this being provided to be a fictitious review, because I'm just here to keep it real. Let me show you how easy this works and how it pretty much serves two purposes. So in this example, there is only one visible cup holder. Now, the way this works is this has a pressure, it's kind of pressurized. It puts, it's going to give enough give to be able to put it in a cup holder, but it's hard enough, and with the rubber grips here, it's going to hold it in place. All you got to do is you squeeze it, put it in place all the way down to the bottom, and then you have your phone mount. Then you can take your favorite refreshment and it fits in there just nice and neat. You also have some play here as far as how the mount can be manipulated. So it can rotate 360 degrees, any direction, left, right, and that can be loosened or tightened with the screw that's back here. Tighten it up, get it where you want, and then lock it into place. So when mounting the phone on the rear, on the back side, there is a simple push button. When it's pressed, it will open up and allow for the phone to go in. Then you take the phone, you put it in, and then you manually squeeze it. There's rubber here, rubber at the bottom, rubber on the back, and this is sort of a hard plastic right here. So this rubber kind of grips everything in. The bottom has got a little bit of a lip to it, so it's not going to just so it's not going to fall out. Once the phone's in place, it is just not going anywhere. Take the phone out, the button is just pushed in the back, it opens up, take the phone out. The width of this is right at 3 3/4 inches this way. It's got to help identify what size phone will actually fit inside this. And the best part is that you're not giving up your drink holder, cup holder, that's going to hold your favorite liquid refreshment. Hopefully this answers any and all questions you have about this pretty cool cup holder phone mount for the vehicle, and we'll talk to you soon.